had the special privilege of having live drummers join our dancers for the show. So please welcome Are Nui.
What's up, Cal Hawaii? First of all, we want to say we're very honored and thankful to be here to play live drumming for all of you and for these dancers. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed playing it for you. If you read the program and the music director listed as well as on the Cal Hawaii band is none other than Maddie Chong. We share a last name. I'm her old man. And more importantly, she asked me, hey, in so many words, hey old man, you want to play live for next year's luau? So we said, of course, two things. One is anything Polynesian, anything Hawaiian, we're all over it. And number two, class of '82, Cal Berkeley, Golden Bears. Go! 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 Right on. So thank you very much for having us today. All right. In 1982, none of these students were alive, so I mean we sort of were that old. But what we want to do is play a little piece of our own, a little song for you, and hopefully you enjoy it.